Affiliate marketing through blogging. Making money online can be an exciting business to get into. It can be very lucrative and offers more flexibility than traditional employment. However, it can be difficult as well. There is a great deal to learn and a great deal of work to put into it. However, the rewards can be great. One of the most popular forms of making money online is with affiliate marketing. This is where a company will pay a commission to people who refer their traffic to them. Many people have made a great deal of money doing affiliate marketing. Many have replaced their incomes and do it full-time. Others have used it as a way to supplement income in order to live a better lifestyle, pay off debt or reach other financial goals. More detail visit link in description. One way to get into affiliate marketing is through the use of blogging. A blog is a website where a person adds regular content on a given topic. Examples of blogs include cars, moms, dads, toys, politics, and just about any other topic you can think of. The best thing to do is to just pick a topic you are interested in, do some research and start writing. After a while you will start building a following of people who regularly visit the site. This will be due to different content being picked up in search engines and being found by searchers. It can also occur from you actively promoting the blog through various techniques. Once you start getting traffic to the blog, then you may consider joining affiliate programs in order to monetize the blog. You can find affiliate programs in just about any niche. The best place to start is with Amazon. They have been running an affiliate program for years and is one of the premier programs going. So, if you are running a blog on politics, some items that may be good to promote on the site may be books, for example. Again, Amazon would be a good fit there. If you are running a blog on gardening, you may be able to join an affiliate program for Home Depot, Lowe's or some other place that sells gardening supplies. The options out there are numerous. More detail visit link in description. Once you are accepted into the affiliate program, you can then start promoting their products on your blog. The more targeted the ads and links are towards your niche, the more likely you will get people clicking on the ads. Then if they go to the other site and buy something, you will receive your commission. Affiliate marketing can be a great way for people to make full-time income or supplement their income. It does require a lot to be learned, and takes a great deal of work. However, once it is set up and going, it can be a business that pretty much runs on its own. It will take a little bit of regular maintenance, but other than that it can be a literal money-making machine for those that are successful at doing it. More detail visit link in description.